Hello, today we are unboxing the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk little box. My husband got me this for Christmas because he knows that I absolutely am obsessed with this line. But I have not tried the highlighter yet, so I'm really excited to see what it looks like on me. I can even get it out. Okay, there we go. So, it comes with a full size of the Pillow Talk, which is probably, it's my favorite out of all three lines. It suits my skin tone the best. Really like it. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous. It looks like my natural skin lip color. I love it. And then the lip cheat. It's gorgeous. It's in the shade Pillow Talk as well. As you can see, it is just beautiful. I probably should have lined my lips first. And then, this is probably one of my favorite. Actually, no, I haven't tried this. This is in shade Pillow Talk. I thought it was in Refresh Rose. I really like Charlotte Tilbury. She's got great stuff. So the thing about her lip gloss is it is slightly plumping anyways. It's not major or anything. It's just a slight. But this is the plumping lip gloss in shade Pillow Talk, so I'm very excited. You don't need much. Love it. Now, the part I've been waiting for. We are going to use her Easy Highlighting Wand. It's super cool. It is in shade Pillow Talk as well. So, I'm really excited. If I can open it. Oh, it's a pull, not a twist. All right, this is the fun part. Are you ready? I'm like squeezing as hard as I can, hoping some will come out soon. I'm not doing it right. Oh, there's an on and an off twist. That is something else. Yeah, so see, you twist right here, and there's like this little on and off here. All right, so now it's on. So here we go. We can do this now. Let me make it focus. I'm gonna have to edit this. Wow. That was cool. I see why people like that. All right. Let's dip it on and see what it does. Like, I don't know, do I just use this to ease it out? It's gorgeous. Is it ever beautiful? Boop, boop, boop. I just love it. I'm going to use a brush to kind of even it out. Oh, turn that off. I don't want to be wasting none of that. Is that ever nice, though? So let's just... I haven't done any other makeup other than, like, my eye shadow. Well, eyelashes, not eyeshadow. That is it. That is her kit. I'll try it out. I love it. The highlighter is very soft. I like that it kind of has like a pink gold undertone. It's really nice. I would get this if you have like a fair skin tone. It's going to work great for you. She does have the intense shade as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I rate this a 10 out of 10.